Shine Stop Treatment. Professional selective dermopurifying treatment meticulously formulated to intelligently treat the needs of combination or oily and acne-prone skin, improving any anti-aesthetic state derived from excess sebaceous secretion such as thickened skins, dilated pores, blackheads, keratosis, or excess shine. Its Quartech technology and the selective follicular delivery system developed by the Casmara's laboratory guarantee the most innovative care for skin that experiences sebaceous imbalances at any age. Before starting the treatment, it's recommended to clean and remove makeup from the skin with one of Casmara's multifunctional cleansers based on natural active ingredients. Apply on face, neck, and neckline, emulsify with circular movements moistening the fingertips, and finish by rinsing with plenty of water. We begin the Shine Stop treatment with Phase 1. A cleanser with a great antimicrobial, anti-seborrheic, and comedolytic action that cleanses, purifies, hydrates, and seboregulates thanks to the action of the natural surfactants and the niacinamide, combined with the azelaic acid to inhibit the bacterial production that cause acne, the follicular obstruction, and the hyperpigmentation of the acne lesions. Apply with a brush over the face previously removed from the makeup, performing quick brushing movements that favor the emulsion of the product on the skin and dragging off impurities. After achieving the characteristic foaminess of the face, moisten with wet fingertips and work with circular maneuvers that favor the cleansing of the skin. Finish by removing with cotton pads or a compact Casmara towelette. Phase 2 of exfoliating action blends shikimic acid, biosuccinic acid, and lactobionic acid to weaken the cohesion between the corneal sides without causing inflammation and maintaining an optimal level of skin hydration. It's recommended to distribute the product evenly over the face with the fingers and work it through palmar pressure until it completely evaporates for approximately 2-3 minutes. When the skin begins to appear dry and feel sticky between the face and the professional's hand, rinse with plenty of water and dry with delicate touches. Phase 3 of oxygenating and balancing action treats the skin in a novel way thanks to its technology based on ozonotherapy and multifunctional active ingredients such as mineral breath complex, oxygenated corn oil, Japanese plant extract, and ozonized olive oil that provides a remarkable anti-acne, seboregulating, antioxidant, and regenerating effect. For the application of this phase, it's recommended to perform an aesthetic massage on face, neck, and neckline until it's completely absorbed, performing maneuvers that favor the pumping, avoiding stimulating maneuvers on acne-prone or hyperseborrheic skin. Phase 4, with gel texture, concentrates the action of two avant-garde technologies developed by Casmara Laboratory, Quartech and the Intelligent Follicular Delivery System, that characterize this facial care line. This phase provides intense hydration thanks to the biotechnological hyaluronic acid aimed at improving the barrier effect of the skin, balancing it and regulating the skin microbiota. For its application, it's recommended to perform an aesthetic massage until completely absorbed, avoiding stimulate oily or with sebaceous imbalanced skin. The Phase 5 Detoxifying Reaffirming Mask 2020 is an exclusive facial mask rich in diatoms, seaweeds, amino acids, trace elements, and aloin, capable of retaining impurities and providing optimal hydration to the skin. For its application, empty totally the content of sachet 1, gel, and the content of sachet 2, powder, in the same bowl. With the help of a spatula, mix vigorously both components in approximately 30 seconds until a keen and even mixture. With the same spatula, apply and spread the mask over the desired area, covering eyes and lips, without wasting time because it starts to set after 4 minutes from the beginning of the mixture. Leave the mask act for 15 to 20 minutes and remove it in one single piece. After removing the mask, and as the final step of the professional session, apply Phase 6, Anti-Aging Mattifying Cream, that combines the main ingredients of this line with bakuchiol, resulting in balanced, nourished, and mattified skin. It's recommended to apply the appropriate amount after removing the mask and deliver the rest to the client for home use if the professional considers it appropriate according to the needs of the treated skin. Shine Stop Treatment. Professional treatment that provides an advanced care to combination or oily skin at any age, to treat and regulate selectively the oily areas of the skin while cares and enhances the well-being of the face in its entirety.